Right, so we've got the bench press. We're just going to weld through here, and this one we'll leave one. See how we go. Pop that in. Just take these. It won't be needed.
And that was the centre bracket that bolted through here on the bench press, and we're just going to use it as a
support.
A support that stops it from tilting.
Yeah, we'll take these out and then use them on the end. They bloody come out. Would have been better with a screwdriver. So then we're going to cut this off, pop these caps in that we already have from this. That'll be good. These we won't need, or that, so they can go. This one's the same. Won't be needing those or these. So got that, and then we'll.
That plate's from a
sack truck. One of these.
One of those.
So we'll pop this here, hinge it.
We're going to hinge that.
We're going to hinge it, so the motor will be on this.
That motor there.
And it'll take the tension up with the belt. And then we'll go from there. Then we'll mount it. Right. So we've got our belt sander that we built a little while ago. We were going to do something else, but I think this would probably be the better option. We haven't used this in a while. As you can tell, it's got a bit of dust.
Yeah. Bearings popped out. We got to fix
bearings
that.
Popped out through here.
Yeah.
That'll go back in. The tracking's a little bit out.
Remount it properly.
Yep. Change this around, sort it out, put a disc on here, and maybe angle this a bit for when you're knife sharpening and things like that. Make it a little bit easier. And yeah, that's our plan, and we're going to go from there. Yeah, just cut that back. Pretty much like that. And then we've got just that section there.
Yeah, fold those over and weld them up.
Yep. Attaching the motor to the hinge, and then from then we'll attach it to the actual framework. So just welding that up. And located the motor, the hinge. So it's a positioning that we had planned in the beginning. It's held on with a clamp, so you have to weld that up, and then we'll go from there. So I've got a washer, the bearing, the other end bearing,
The piece of tube.
spacer,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah, so that's going to get welded on there, and that stops that from sliding out that way. That stops it from the bearings from gathering up, and then this one stops the bearing from coming out the other side. And that's going to go back in there, and then we're going to weld up that gap as well. Just packing it with a bit of grease. We welded that washer there on, which screws onto our roller. And I'm going to pack this side too.
sorry mate.
You know, because we want it to spin nice, so.
Okay, so we got the pulleys on.
This is a one that we turned up. These washers we screwed straight into that.
Just locate them and then we're good.
And then we've got one for the other side. That's not what we intended then.
That is super powerful, man. This, oh man, I put it on number 3. Shit. I forgot this has a setting.
I'll lift the motor up for you when you can hang on to it.
Thanks, mate. We got that shroud to go on this as well, don't we? Alloy shroud.
Oh, the vacuum one.
Sorry?
Vacuum one, yeah.
Yeah. We can plug the back to it, yeah.